Hello my friends, it's Nina and welcome back to my closet. Today I'm going to clean out my entire closet. I always choose the warmest time of the year to do this. It is so hot outside, but that's okay. I actually filmed a video of me cleaning out my closet last year. It was literally around this time last year, June/July. So happy anniversary. I still haven't sold the clothes that I meant to sell. One day I will get those up on my Depop. If you are interested in any of the clothes I want to sell in the future, you can follow me on Depop. I don't know when I'll actually do it, but hopefully sometime this year because I actually really do want to sell my clothes this year. But anyway, a year passed. My style has definitely changed a lot. I want to go full KonMari method, get all my clothes out, sort through them, take out things that I don't need, take out things that don't spark joy. I really want to try harder this time. So without further ado, I'm going to empty out my closet. Okay. I'm going to do it. The reason why I'm cleaning out my clothes is because I'm actually kind of worried about my closet. My closet is much smaller than the last closet in the last video. I already had to downsize a lot. Probably like half of my wardrobe was already gone. But for some reason, I feel like this little rack is going to break. On the sides, the paint is starting to peel. I feel like it's slowly moving down. There's a little hook here that also holds the rack and it's kind of bending downwards, I think. And also, there's a little crack in the wood. I don't know if it was already there, but that also worries me. I feel like this time I could definitely do a better job. I'm of course thankful for all the clothes that I have, but as I got older, I bought my own clothes, found my own style, and I just kind of need to let go of my old clothes. A lot of my clothes are from high school, college. It needs to go. I'm going to empty out my closet, put everything on my bed. I'm going to sort through the clothes over there, and then down here I have a suitcase. Luckily, I'm not traveling because of obvious reasons, so I have a big suitcase. I'm going to fill that up with clothes that I want to sell. So there's a lot going on, but we have all day to do this. I guess we'll start. I generally just want to get rid of clothes that I don't wear anymore. Things that I haven't worn in months, maybe years. Things that don't go with my personal style. Another thing I'm realizing is that if I do want the clothes back, I can always get it later. For a lot of clothes, I just don't realize that it's there, so I just want to kind of let go of it. Sometimes you need to let go, Nina. It's okay to let go. So I'm going to place these down on my bed. Just a big pile. There's just a lot to go through. I'm going to take out most of my winter clothes for now because they are going to go in the back. I want all of my summer clothes out here and then the winter clothes in the back, and then kind of just shift them as the time goes. We've got turtlenecks. This is like a nice spring piece. It'll be right around here. More summer clothes. Summer clothes. These are more of my newer pieces. These can come out. I don't have the arm strength for this. Over here, we are approaching my winter clothing. A nice big coat. I already see pieces I can get rid of. Over here. Wow, I haven't touched these at all. Hello. Wow. Okay, all of my hoodies are in the back, but I don't wear a lot of these anymore. Aww, I completely forgot about this. So I went to UC Berkeley. Go Bears! I'm probably going to keep this till the end of time. Wow, things are falling. This is good for you, Nina. I think this is a nice summer activity. These can stay. My summer blouses, dresses, finally my vests and some dresses. So I got rid of everything in my closet except for these things. These are newer summer pieces that I'm definitely going to keep. This is literally all I have in my closet, and that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I'm kidding, we have so much to go through. I will show you the rest of my closet. This is all I have now. These are some newer pieces and I have not seen it this empty since I moved here. And here is the pile of clothes that I have to sort through. I probably should have worn comfier pants for this. Yay! Time to say goodbye. This is going to take a really long time. Okay, my desk is a little messy. Let me clean that. Also, I need to hydrate. Why did I choose to wear high-waisted pants? I also do not know. So the KonMari method, there's a lot that goes into the method actually. I always use Marie Kondo's folding method. That folding method changed my life. I will show you guys when I go through my dresser. I forgot I'm going through my dresser. But with the KonMari method, it's about choosing joy. I'm reading her website. It encourages tidying by category, not by location, beginning with clothes, then moving on to books, papers. I'm not doing any of that. I'm only doing my clothes. Keep only those things that speak to the heart and discard items that no longer spark joy. Thank them for their service, then let them go. Love that. So it's basically about being mindful of your items. There are 6 basic rules of tidying. Rule number 1, commit yourself to tidying up. I am committing myself. We are going to do this. Even if the sun goes down, I'm going to be here because I literally cannot go to sleep. I sleep there. I can't sleep there. Rule number 2, imagine your ideal lifestyle. Rule number 3, finish discarding first. Tidy by category, not by location. Rule number 5, follow the right order. Rule number 6, ask yourself if it sparks joy. We're going to see if it sparks joy or not. First, I'm going to hydrate. I swallow really loudly. Water is so delicious. I am going to start now. Woo! Like I said, I'm going to sell most of these one day. So here we have a vest. I haven't worn this in, I don't remember. I wore this a lot when I was younger, but it doesn't spark joy anymore. You have been great to me, but it is time that you move on now. Thank you very much. Time to say goodbye. Time for you to go. I've put the vest away. Here is another vest. I actually do wear this vest a lot because I do like the black color. This still sparks joy, so I'm going to keep it. Here we have some dresses. I think it will look better on someone who's taller than me. This dress is a bit too long, so I think I'm going to give it away. Thank you for your time. You're going to move on. This is a silk shirt. I recently thrifted it. I am going to keep it. This looks nice tucked into some pants or tied up. This is my one jacket for exercising. I have to keep this. I put clothes away and then I ended up getting rid of more clothes. There were some pieces that I wanted to keep, but then I just decided to put away. So I got rid of more pieces as I put them back in my closet. It's looking a lot emptier. It's looking better actually. When I look at it, I just see clothes that I could potentially wear. I'm going to go through this last pile. Whew, these are very high-waisted. Oh! Here's my merch. I am going to keep it obviously. If you want my merch, it's always in my description. Whoop. Wow! I have finished sorting through every single piece. I finally got to look at all of my clothing pieces again, and I think I narrowed it down to only clothes that I will actually wear. I've actually gotten rid of a lot. Let's put these back and then we can move on to my dresser. I can actually sleep tonight. Okay, so I have finished going through my entire hanging closet. I used to not be able to move my clothes around like this. Look at how much space we have now. And then back there, we still have a lot of space. If I push this all the way through, lots of space, but I just want to give them some room. But now my clothes can breathe, and these are just my favorite pieces to wear. I've also sorted them from winter to summer, so I have all of my go-to stuff here, and then I have all this space for other clothes. I feel so much lighter, and I'm sure my rack also feels lighter as well. I'm gonna just take all of these. I got rid of this much clothes. Another tip, if you want your closet to look organized, just have all your hangers the same color. I have this random white one. Look at that. And there we have it. I have cleaned this closet. I don't know if it looks very different, but I think it does. I have my blouses. I have some light jackets, light sweaters, cardigans, and then over here I have all my winter stuff. And these are winter items that I definitely wear. I just have to remember winter's coming. I kind of wanted to get rid of more, but I do wear a majority of these. This closet is finished. I am going to move on to my dresser. That is where the big mess is. I needed a break. I'm not even halfway there, but we pushed through anyway. Kind of want to take a nap. I'm not gonna do that though. Okay, time to do it! So next I'm going to take out all of the clothes from my dressers and put them on my bed, sort through them, and then put them back. Here we go. I'm gonna take everything out. As you can see, I still try to fold my clothes, but the problem is everything just stacks on top of each other like this, and I can't do that anymore. There needs to be less. Everything out. There we go. Woo! Out! Done. It is now empty. I'm gonna do my pants after. Actually, never mind. I'll do it right now. I'm just gonna take everything out. So many clothes I haven't seen in a while. Both drawers are completely empty. It's time to sort. All my knees hurt. Let's sort. I'll also real quick show you how I fold my clothes. So here we go. Just gonna push everything to the side. So here we have a pair of pants. All you do is just fold it in half like this. Then we're gonna fold it in half this way. You can tuck in this part if you want, but I'm kind of lazy. I don't need to do that. And then we're going to fold it into thirds just like this. And then your pants should be able to sit on its own just like that. Magic! And we put this over there. And then for our shirt, this is how I fold mine. Here is the front. We're gonna put the front on the floor, on the surface. Basically, this is the back, and then we're going to fold it into thirds like this, just like that. This is Marie Kondo's way, just like that, and then you fold it in half like that, turn it upside down, then fold it into thirds, and then it should be able to sit on its own as well. Just like that. How cute. So same thing again. The back is exposed. Gonna fold into thirds again. Fold it in half, flip it over, and then roll it into thirds. There we go. See that? And then they can neatly sit like this in your drawer. Now, I actually wore this top in my last closet cleanup video. I kind of don't visualize myself wearing it anymore. How the turns have tabled. I think I'm going to give this away. So I haven't had coffee or caffeine in a week now, yet I feel great. You go, Nina. All done. Time to put this all back. So I like to put my everyday shirts around here and then everything else here. The difference it truly makes when you take everything out and then sort through it. I didn't even realize how much I took out, but I have so much space. Thank you, Marie Kondo. Done with that. Moving on to this drawer, putting my pants back in. I'm gonna have my denim here and then every other pants over here. So this is everything I got rid of. I have to organize it. The bed is empty. I have some clothes that I need to hang up. And then I actually have to go through those drawers. That is just bedding, so I just have to go through the top two. But if I do that, then I should be done. All empty. It literally took 2 minutes. This drawer is also empty. Those are just swimsuits. These two drawers that I was looking through were very packed that it was hard to look through those drawers. I want to finally condense this. So basically those two drawers, the top one is my workout clothes slash skirts and shorts. The second drawer is just pajamas and comfortable clothes. Time to fold. There are plenty of clothes that I can give away. Let's do that right now. Everything is neatly folded. Now it's time to go back in. So here is our clean pajama drawer. I have more, but they're in the laundry pile. Then I have just comfy pants here. Then here I have my skirts. All of my skirts and pants that don't fit into my other drawers. Then I have my workout clothes here, some comfy shirts, and my swimsuits that I never wear. And now my drawers are complete. That drawer has my bedding, and this drawer has just underwear. I'm going to fold these up, and this will be my suitcase. I actually filled the entire suitcase. I really need to sell these. That's going to be one of my 2020 goals. I'm going to put these on my Depop one day. I can't believe it closed. All done. Okay, I'm going to finish up by putting some new pieces of clothing. This is only just a few pieces. I have more clothes in another room. That's my filming room. I left a lot of clothes there just because that room is closest to my front door. And so I can throw those clothes on if I need to go out, if I ever go out. But I just brought back some dresses. Let me know if you guys want a video where I try on all of my clothing. That video has been done many times, but I would also like to attempt to do that. So I'm putting all of my dresses over here where I can easily access them. I have my white blouse. Gonna go in this blouse section. Got this short dress. Gonna go next to my dresses. I love how everything's organized now. I have a nice cardigan. Gonna switch you over. Plenty of room. I have a flannel shirt, and this is gonna go right next to my other flannel shirt. Easy access. Actually, I think my denim jackets should go behind my flannels here. And then finally, I just have this nice midi dress, maxi dress, and I'm going to put it with my dresses once again. How adorable. Everything is here. This looks like a summer wardrobe. Wow, I've been filming for so long. But we have finished cleaning my entire closet, my entire wardrobe. All good, all done. I filled an entire suitcase full of clothing. I am going to get on selling those. There are some clothes that I would like to donate as well. If you are interested in any of my clothes, you can follow my Depop. I will, of course, eventually clean them. They are mostly good quality. Look out for some clothes in the future. But that is it for this closet clean out. I am so satisfied with my closet. It is all just stuff that I would wear. This has been a great experience. I've been meaning to clean my closet for a very long time. Everything's just easier to access. High five to me. High five to you too. I hope that this motivates you to clean your closet, look through your items, let go of things that need to be let go of. I am tired. I have been cleaning for 4 hours. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you next time. Goodbye, my friends.